In this video, I'll show you how you can find your Steam trade URL. Now first you need to open up Steam, then log into your account, and once you're in here, you hover your name up here, go down to inventory. Now once you're on the inventory, you should be able to see all your games and all your items, and there should be a little blue button that says trade offers. Now click on this. From in here you can see all the trade offers, but that's not what we're looking for. You're going to find the who can send me trade offers right here. So click on this and you should see a link down here, which is your trade URL. So you can just copy this and send it to whoever and they can make a trade with you. You can also create a new URL here if you accidentally send it to someone and you don't want them to keep making trade offers. So that's basically how you can do it on Steam, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.